Yes, students, we are stopped in restoring a file folder, page number 41. Now, Risha will start reading from deleting a file folder permanently.
To delete a folder file permanently, follow the steps. Delete the folder file in the usual way. Double click the recycle bin on the desktop. To open it, look at the deleted file folder and select it. Press the delete key on the keyboard or right click the mouse button and click delete. You will see a confirmation dialog box. Click yes. The selected folder file will be deleted permanently. Emptying the recycle bin. It is important to empty the recycle bin as the files and folder occupy space in the hard disk. To empty the recycle bin, follow the step. Place the mouse on it. Place the mouse pointer on the recycle bin and right click the mouse button. Click empty recycle bin. You will see the confirm the dialog box. Click yes, the recycle bin will be emptied, renaming a folder file. To rename a folder file, follow the steps. Select the folder file that has to be renamed. Right click on the folder or file. Select rename or press F2 from the keyboard. Type the new name and press enter key. Your file folder will be renamed Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is the operating system which manages all the files and folders on the computer. To access Windows Explorer, follow the steps. Click the Start button. The Start menu appears. The Explorer in the search box.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Windows Explorer. Start reading from Windows Explorer.
Yes, ma'am. Windows Explorer is the operating system which manages all the files and folders the computer. To access Windows Explorer, follow the steps. Click the Start button.
Follow the instructions.
Yes, ma'am. Click the Start button. The Start menu appears. Type Explorer in the search box and press Enter key. Press Window plus E from the keyboard. The Explorer window appears. Using the left pane, you can move across different libraries and view the content. The right pane displays the contents of the selected library. You can also move from one folder to the other using the left pane. Copying a folder file from one folder to the other. To copy a folder file from one folder to other, follow the steps. Right click on the folder file you want to copy. Select copy. Go to the location where you want the folder file to be copied. Right click on the blank area. On this location is select paste. The folder file will be copied to the new location. Moving a folder file from one place to other. To move a folder file from one place to other, follow the steps. Right click on the folder file that you wish to move. Select cut. Choose a location where you wish to move the folder file. Right-click on the empty area and select Paste. The folder will be moved in new location.
Stop.
Windows
Stop
Accessories.
now.
Microsoft.
One.
ha- Yes, ma'am.
Stop. Who will read now? Neela. Neela, start reading from Windows accessories. Windows
Yes,
accessories.
ma'am. Windows accessories. Microsoft has provided virus accessories in Windows 7 operating system. These are su- supplement
Supplementary program.
supplementary program that help us to perform
Various.
various tasks. Some of the important accessories are calculator. The Windows calculator is an application which is useful for journal calculation. You can enter input using the mouse and the key on the keyboard to open the calculator. Follow the steps. Click the start button, point to all programs, click accessories, click, calculator. The calculator window appears. Media player. A media player is a software program used to play a music file or a movie file. Many media players today capable to playing both audio sound files and video files. To open Windows Media Player, follow the steps. Click Start button and then point to all programs. Within the program list, you will find a shortcut for Windows Media Player. Click Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player appears on the screen.
Key points. Read
Key
key points
points.
also.
There are many versions of Windows operating system. The first version of the Windows was developed in 1985. Desktop is the first screen that you see after the computer start. The folder is like a container in which many subfolders and files are stored. A file is collection of data and or information stored on the computer. A file can contain text, image, audio, or video. A file extension is a
Suffix.
suffix at the end of a file name. It indicates the file type.
File type. Stop. Now let me explain this topics here. Let me explain this chapter to you all students. We had started from here, deleting files and file permanently. So here it is explained that how to delete any file or folder permanently. How can we delete? Here some small steps are given that how can we delete any file or folder from the desktop, from your computer. Let me show you that first. How can you delete any file or folder? Delete any file and folder is a usual way. Like हम किस तरह से delete कर सकते हैं? If you want to delete something, let me share any folder to you all so that it will be easier for you all. Now I hope you can see any folder here, one folder here. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to delete,
Yes, ma'am.
if you want to delete this file which is written here, we just have to, what is written on your book? Double click the recycle bin permanently. It's permanently deleting. It's normal. If we want to normally delete, we just will right click and delete option will appear. We just click on the delete option here and it will be deleted. Yes, it is deleted. Yes, here it is deleted. And where did it will went? It will went to, it went to recycle bin. Let me show you the recycle bin on on the screen. Screen is not appear here. Screen here. Computer screen is not appearing. There may be something different procedure we have to follow. So let me show you your book. Where is it? In your book, you can find that recycle benefit is. Where is recycle bin on your book? Okay, page number 33. Open page number 33. Yes, this is the icon of recycle bin. I hope you can see this. Page number 34 actually. This is recycle bin, and whatever file or folder we delete, it went to recycle bin. And if we want to delete that file folder permanently, we have to go to that recycle bin, and then we have to delete that particular file from there. Understand? When we will delete any file or folder from that recycle bin, then it will be deleted permanently from your computer. As you can see, the steps are given here. Double click the recycle bin on the desktop to open it. Locate the deleted file folder and select it. Press the delete key. You have to press the delete key and on the keyboard, or right click the mouse button and click delete. You will see a confirmation dialog box like yes. Do you want to delete it for permanently? Yes. This type of dialog box will appear. You have to press yes. Emptying, how to emptying the recycle bin? Here is the options. Here the steps are given. You just have to click on recycle bin. You will see a confirmation dialog box. You can see empty recycle bin. This type of dialog box will appear. After that, you have to click yes. Renaming file and folder. How can you rename? Then you will click on any file or folder. Let me show you any file or folder. Yes, you can see here, if whenever you will see any file or folder, you just have to right click on that. Right click of mouse you have to do and rename it. Understand? Rename it. When you will rename it, you can write any other name in place of, like here playback is written, you can write, I will write my name. Understand? Now this file is with my name. Or you can press from keyboard, you can press F2. F2 will, if you will press F2, it will also be renamed. You can rename it by pressing F2 also. Now let me move to the next topic, which is renaming is completed. Now Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an operating system which manages all the file and folders in computer. As you can see here, the start menu will appear. The start menu will appear. Type Explorer in the search box and press enter key. Press Window plus E, or you can say you can click Window plus E from keyboard. The Explorer window appear. This is Explorer window. Explorer window will appear. Now, copying a file or folder, how can you copy? Just right click on any file or folder. Again, let me show you the file. Here, if you want to copy this, right click it with your mouse and then you will see copying. When you will copy it, it is copied. Okay. If you want to if you want to paste that file somewhere else, you can paste it. It is pasted here, as you can see. Okay. Now here is the recycle bin. Let me show you the recycle bin. You can see on your screen. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is recycle bin, as you can see. If we want to delete it, if we want to delete any file permanently, we just have to click on that file, and it will ask that delete. It will be permanently deleted. Yes, permanently deleted from your computer. Understand? This is the procedure. Now, next option is Window Explorer, copying file, moving file. How to move file? For moving file, we just have to click here. Cut option is given. Cut means that file will be moved from the particular place. From that particular folder, it will be moved. Like if I cut it, I will move to another folder, and I will put that file here. It will be deleted from there. And if I want to cut it, I will cut it and I will paste that file in some another place. किसी दूसरी जगह पे मैं इसको paste कर दूंगी this file. That file is already here.
Perfect.
If I want to change the location of this file, now I change it. Now this is in another folder. Okay. Now moving हो गया. Windows accessories. How can we find Windows accessories? Windows accessories. As you can see, Windows accessories on your book first of all. Windows accessories. This is calculator. There is a calculator also on your window. Let me show you that calculator. This is the calculator. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is calculator. This is an accessory.
मैम मेरे पास है कैलकुलेटर.
Very good. Page number 46. In page number 46, the steps are given how to on this calculator. If we want to calculate any number, we can calculate that here. Understand? Okay. Media player. Media player is also an option. It's a kind of a software program used to play music or movie files. How to open it? The steps are given here. Click start menu button. You have to click start. You have to click on the start button. You have to click on the start button and then start button and then point all programs. Within the program list, you will find out the shortcut of media player. Understand? And this type of window will appear. This is a window media player. So this chapter is over. Windows 7. Move to the exercise, which is take the correct answers. Tell me the right answer of the questions which are given here. You want to restore deleted file? What will be the answer?
Recycle bin.
Recycle bin.
Want to restore a
Ma'am,
deleted file?
recycle bin. Ma'am, recycle bin.
Recycle bin.
Answer number 2. You have inserted a pen drive and want to open a folder on the pen drive. Where will you find the contents of the pen drive?
Ma'am, computer.
Answer. Give me the answer number 2. Where will you find the content of pen drive? You have inserted a pen drive. आपने insert किया pen drive. Want to open a folder. Where will you find all these options? You will find them in computer option. Yes. Next is
Document.
The name of a file is tulip.jpg. What must be its contents? Music.
Image.
Yes, it's an
Image.
JPG is an image. The name of a file is rain.txt. What must be its content? It's text.
Text.
TXT extension is given. That's why it's now. Now move to the next question, which is match the icons with the file extensions. You have to match the icons with the file extension. So the answer of first one is docs or dog. Which one is docs or dog? Who can tell me that? Which one is docs or dog?
Media movie.
He is docs or dog.
MS Word file. MS Word
MS
file.
Word file. Dot Excel. Dot AVI. Audio file. Dot AVI is D.
Ma'am, C.
D. It's not C. Dot PDF. PDF is already given here.
PDF file. PDF file.
Number 5, JPG. I hope you all have done this.
Image file. Image file.
I hope you all have completed this.
Ma'am, we have done.
Now move to true or false. True, false. First question is characters like this cannot be used for file names. Is that true or false?
False.
This is true.
True.
Yes, because these types of characters we cannot use as file name. Next, file extension .docs is used for an image. Is that true or false?
False.
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 Yes, it's false.
False.
False. Because docs is used for MS Word. Window Explorer helps manage files and folders in computer. Is that true or false?
True.
File it's true. File is a collection of
False.
folders.
False.
So the next answer is false. Now move to the question and answers. What is Windows 7? Let's complete the question and answers if we have time.